Good afternoon, students. So, in today's class, let us study what is price index numbers. Okay. Now, this price index numbers is been divided into two things. Mainly, it is simple index number and weighted index number. Please understand it and please do not get confused, because many of them go wrong here. When they ask a simple index number, you calculate your weighted, and when they ask weighted, you calculate the simple, vice versa. So what I'm telling is, just you have to draw this in your notes in a fresh page. Once you finish your notes part, what I sent yesterday, once you finish it, you will start up in the fresh page. Okay. Now the simple index number has been divided into two things, that is simple average of relatives and simple aggregative. Now simple index number is also called as unweighted index number. Okay, do not get confused. Now this is called as weighted index number. There is no other name for this. But simple index number is also called as unweighted index number. Okay, do not get confused. Now these two things is been furtherly divided. There is no extra division for this, but this is particularly divided into two things. One is for the simple arithmetic index number and geometric index number. The same way, this weighted index number is also been divided. Weighted average of relatives and weighted aggregative of index numbers, wherein this weighted averages of relatives is been divided into two things, which is arithmetic mean and geometric mean. However, this weighted aggregative index number has been divided into three things: last price index number, purchase index number, and Fisher's index number. You have to remember these things, which are very, very, very important. We will study these things in detail. Okay. That is your price index number. Price index number is the combination of simple index and weighted index numbers. Okay. Now what do you mean by price index number? Price index number is the combination of simple or unweighted index number and your weighted index number. Okay. Now let us see what are the formulas. The same way you will write, I will send you a picture of it. The same way you have to write. You will give a side heading price index number. You will write this table. After writing that table, you are writing the first part of it, and the second part of it is written here. Okay. This comes under the price index numbers. Now coming to the formula for simple arithmetic mean index number is P01. It is called P01. It is nothing but, what is this 0? 0 represents the base here. What is this 1? 1 represents the present here, the current here. Okay. Now P01 is equal to sigma P divided by N. What is sigma P? The total of P, capital P. How do you get this capital P? You calculate, you have a formula for it. What is that formula? P1. P1 is nothing but price for the current year divided by P0 means price for the base year into 100. So small letter n, as usual, you all know it is number of items. The same way, simple geometric mean index number. So what is the formula for this? P01 is equal to anti-logarithm of the sigma logarithm P divided by N. Here you have to remember, once you calculate your P, that is your price, the price relative, what you have to do is you have to calculate the logarithm for that particular P. Then you will divide it by the number of items and you will calculate your anti-logarithm, where you will have your final answer. Your third part is simple aggregative index number. So simple aggregative index number, that is P01, that is price relative, is equal to current year total, which is P1, the total of P1, and the base year total, that is the total of P0 into 100. Now please remember, it is very, very, very important. Simple index number is also called as unweighted index number. Do not get confused. If it is unweighted, please remember it is simple. If it is weighted, then it is as usual weighted only. Do not say that I didn't teach you. Okay, that very, very, very important. Simple aggregate or simple index numbers is also called as unweighted index number. Okay. Now we will solve the first problem. From the following data, calculate. In this part, I am just doing a simple index number. I am teaching you a simple index number. Please remember that. Okay. Now, from the following data, calculate the unweighted. Unweighted is nothing but simple arithmetic mean index number, and the unweighted geometric mean, that is simple geometric mean index number. The third one being unweighted aggregative price index number for the year 2007, taking 1990 as the base year. Okay. What it says, there are 2 years. This is the question. What you have to find out? 3 things. You have to find out 3 things. Here 1990 and 2007. It clearly states that you have to take 1990 as the base year. Base year is nothing but P0. It is been denoted by small letter P and 0. You call it as P0. And the current year you will take it as P1. Small letter P and 1. It will be denoted by small letter P and 1, which is called as the current year or the present year. What they are saying to take the 1990 as the base year and 2007 as the current year. If at all they say take 2007 as the base year, yes, you have to take the same way. They have mentioned accordingly you have to take it. Okay. So let's start solving it. You write the commodity as it is. Your base year will be written as small letter P0, which is called as P0, and the current year will be written as P1, and you will take the total and keep. After calculating, what is the first point you have to find out? You have to find out the simple arithmetic mean index number. To calculate the simple arithmetic mean index number, your formula is sigma P, that is capital P, that is sigma price relative divided by N. Now what is this capital P? Capital P is also got a formula which is P1, small letter P1, that is current year's price divided by base year price into 100. So you calculate, this is P1 and this is P0. So P1, that is 1350 divided by 600 into 100. This is the answer. 992 divided by 320 into 100. This is the answer. 1560 divided by 1040 into 100. This is the answer. 3240 divided by 540 into 100. This is the answer. You will take the total. After taking the total, you will take the total divided by number of items, which is 4, and the final answer is here. So you have found out what is simple arithmetic mean index number. Now to calculate your simple geometric mean index number, this is the formula, that is anti-logarithm into sigma logarithm P divided by N. Please remember, in your first chapter, I have already taught you how to calculate your geometric mean. In that geometric mean, I have taught you how to calculate your logarithms and anti-logarithms. So logarithms, please remember whole numbers, and the anti-logarithms will be in the form of decimals. Okay. So what you have to do, you have found out what is P. So logarithm of this P you have to find out. So logarithm of P, how will you find out? There are 3 digits. 3 digits minus 1 digit, which gives you 2 digits. The same way, 2 point you will put for the whole thing. If it is 4 numbers, what you will do? You will do 4 digits minus 1 digit, which is 3. So 3 point you will do. Got it? Hope you all are understanding this. Okay, because there is only 3 numbers. 3 numbers minus 1 number gives you 2 digits. So 2 point. Then you will take out your logarithm table. Under logarithm table, you will see 22, fifth column. You will have 3522, 31, 0 column which is 4914, 15, 0 column which is 1761, and 60, 0 column which is 7782. Okay. Now the answer, the total of it is 9.7979. Okay. So you will take the total of logarithm table, logarithm p divided by n, which is 4. You will have 2.4494. So 2.4494 in anti-logarithm, always you have to take the decimals, that is from point. You will start it from point. So 0.44 in ninth column, when you see, you will have the answer plus the mean difference, which is 4. You will add it on to it. When you add it, you will have 2815. After writing it, because there is 2 number, the value is 2, you will add 1 number to it, which is 3. So after 3 digits, that is 1, 2, 3, you will put a point. So hope you are understanding, because you have already done your geometric mean. I know you all can find out your logarithm and anti-logarithm. So on that basis, I am just not showing your logarithm table. If at all you have any doubts, please call me anytime. I will solve it for you. Okay. Now, so to the 2 answers are done. That is arithmetic mean, that is simple arithmetic index number is done, and simple geometric mean index number is done. What is the third question they have asked? They have asked the unweighted aggregative price index number. So what is the formula for that? It is the sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 into 100. So that is the total of your 2017 column and the total of 1990 column. When you calculate, you will have the answer, which is 285.68. This is the final answer. So for all these things, the main thing is you have to understand what are you doing, one thing, and what is the formula for it. Okay. The same way I have solved the second question. Here in this question, they have asked you the simple arithmetic mean, simple geometric mean, simple aggregative index number for the year 2012, taking 1998 as the base year. Okay. So what they are telling you is you have to take 1998, that is, this will be the base year, so it is denoted by P0. This will be the current year, so this will be denoted by P1. Okay. The same way commodity, that is P0, P1. To calculate your capital letter P, you have to find out P1 divided by P0 into 100. You will take the total. You have to find out your logarithm P, that is how many digits are there, the whole numbers, 3 digits. 3 digits minus 1 gives you 2 point. Again the same thing you have to find out. Hope you understanding the logarithm, because if you have understood the logarithm only, I can go forward. If at all you don't understand, please message me in the group. I will teach you once again. So when you guys came up to me for the correction, I have asked each one of you whether you have understood the logarithm table and the anti-logarithm table to see the values. So you have all told me that yes, you have understood. On that basis, I am not showing that logarithm tables, because I have already calculated it. Okay. After doing that, you will find out your simple arithmetic mean, that is the total of P divided by N. So the total is 658.33 divided by 3 gives you the final answer. For the geometric mean, this will be the final answer. And for the price simple aggregative index number, this will be the formula. For that is sigma P1, that is the total of 2012 and 98 column. When you take, you will have the final answer. So yes students, in today's class we studied what is price index numbers. I have told you the price index number is nothing but calculating or finding out the price of that particular year, the aggregative price. So it is the combination of simple index number and the weighted index number. We have solved in this class, we have solved only simple or unweighted price index number. That is, we have calculated a simple arithmetic mean index number, we have calculated simple geometric mean index number and simple aggregative index number. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about the weighted price index number. Okay. So students, hope you all understood this class. I want everybody to complete your notes, update your notes on time. Many of them have not yet submitted the notes for me to me. I'm telling you again and again, please submit your notes. If at all you don't submit your notes, I'm just removing your names today. So I want everybody to submit the notes, get it signed, okay? So that your internal marks is also based on all these things. I'm telling you, it is not just the examination, even the assignments, everything. It is all based on your performance, okay? How you are completing your notes, how neatly it is written, how much you are updating it every day. All these things depends on your everything your internal marks is. So please understand things. If at all there is any doubt, please do call me and clarify things. Okay, thank you students. Have a great day. Bye.